At JK Diagnostics, our focus is on safety. This video illustrates the proper method for venipuncture by phlebotomist using vacuum blood collection tubes by JK. The first and the most important step is that the collection agent must sanitize his hands and gloves before starting the collection procedure. After the sanitization process, all the required tools and equipment for the process should be collected. Tourniquet, sodium citrate tube, plain tube, EDTA tube, blood collection needle and needle holder. Take the blood collection needle and screw it into the needle holder. The patient should be comfortably seated in the chair and patient's arm must be in a horizontal position. The collection procedure starts by tying the tourniquet about 3 inches above the elbow so that vein selection becomes easier. Remove the safety cap of the needle and look for the bevel tip of the needle. Asking the patient to make a tight fist also helps in vein selection. The puncture site should be cleaned using an alcohol swab such that dirt, sweat, germs and other microbes are cleaned away. The collection agent must then select the appropriate vein for collection. The vein must be easily visible and slightly swollen. Now, keeping the bevel tip of the needle on the vein such that the whole of the needle is visible, insert the needle into the vein with a slight push at an angle of 20 to 30 degrees. Only 8 to 10 mm of the tip must be inserted into the vein. Do not move the needle around inside the vein. Now, take the JK Easy Wax sodium citrate tube and insert its head into the needle inside the needle holder by pulling at the fins of the needle holder with your first 2 fingers and pushing the tube inside with the thumb. This ensures that you are not jamming the needle into the arm of the patient. The top of the tube will be angled downwards and you will see an initial spurt of blood while the rest will fill up the tube slowly. Once the blood stops flowing inside the tube, gently pull out the tube and repeat the same procedure with another tube. Remove the tourniquet once the blood is collected in all the desired tubes. Once the tourniquet is removed, remove the needle from the arm by putting a cotton piece over the puncture and gently pulling the needle out from underneath. Apply pressure on the cotton only after the needle has been removed completely. Invert all the tubes 3 to 4 times to ensure the blood is thoroughly mixed with the additives in the tubes. Mark the labels on the tube immediately after the collection process to avoid any clerical error. Once done with the collection process, keep the plain tube for at least 10 to 12 minutes before centrifuging it. Thank you for watching this video. To know more about JK and its products, please visit our website www.jkdiagnostics.com. You can also follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube.